Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn to do K8. So today I gonna to show you about one tools in Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. The tool that I gonna to show you is about we call quick selection tool. So I gonna to do with these two pictures, and I use the quick selection tool for both picture, and then move to this picture. So the first we use we go into layout and unlock this picture, and then we look at the function we take the new selection. Yes, so and I add more size. Yes, just like this, and like this. So if we use a quick selection tool like this, we use this function to yes. So now it's already, and we use smooth tool. Yes, like this. And another pictures, we do it the same. Yes, fixing tool and takes the new selection. Yeah. Yes. And then your text moves to